Welcome back to my channel, you guys, and today we are doing something a little bit different. I am so excited to start a new series with you, a series that is dedicated to 5 of my favorite kitchen gadgets. These are 5 things that I literally use in my kitchen every day, and I'm excited to tell you about them. Do that anymore. Hurts. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you're officially cooking with Karli. Let's get started on my kitchen favorites. This is it's probably my favorite thing that I've purchased on Amazon in like the last, 4 months. I actually used my birthday money to buy this, and you probably have no idea what this is right now. But let me tell you. Let me open up this lid and show you what's inside. It is my butter dish. And I love this for so many reasons. First, it's covered up. Nothing's going to get in there. I've got 3 little kids. There's food everywhere all the time. There's, I will admit that I have a 3-year-old that feels like she needs to stand on the counter while I'm baking. And I love that there's a lid that goes on this. It actually keeps the butter really fresh, tasting great, and it holds 3 sticks of butter. And so I'm not constantly refilling butter. We eat a lot of toast for breakfast at my house. Another advantage to this butter dish with the lid is that the butter stays so nice and fresh. It doesn't ever, soak up the flavors of other things that you have in a cupboard. I used to keep my butter up just in the cupboard over there. It's the one that I keep my spices in, and my butter would always taste like garlic. Or it would just soak up the scent or the flavor of all of the spices in that cupboard. I just kept it in there because I didn't want it out on the counter. But now I can keep it out on the counter. It's fresh, tastes great all the time. Because this butter dish is shaped how it is with the lid, when you're scooping up the butter to butter your toast, butter garlic bread, like whatever you're using your butter for, it doesn't slip and slide everywhere. That is super annoying to me, especially in the summertime when it's just a little bit warmer in your house, when you go to scoop your butter and the whole butter stick slides off of your butter dish. Doesn't happen in here. It all just stays in there, and the butter sticks are far enough down that it doesn't ever get on the lid. Plus, it's really cute. And I just leave it on my counter back there. You've probably seen it in my other videos. It's just always on my counter. We go through a lot of butter. And I just picked white to go with my kitchen, but it comes in like every color imaginable. There's black, blue, purple, pink, anything that you want to decorate with, colors you decorate with in your kitchen. Again, I just purchased this on Amazon, and you can find the link to check these out in the description below. You can head to my Amazon store. Next up is this little gadget called the Ergo Spout Mini. It is just a little spout that fits on a regular sized mason jar. There is a gasket on the inside so nothing leaks out. I put oil in here just to drizzle onto my pan before I cook like scrambled eggs, or if I'm roasting broccoli and I just need to drizzle some olive oil on. This is perfect for drizzling. It just gets just the right amount of oil on whatever you need oil on. You can also use this for butter on popcorn or simple syrup to put on your cakes. There are so many different uses for this. My favorite use for this, though, is the oil. I always have oil in this mason jar, and I just keep it back there by the butter dish. You probably have seen it in my videos, but I use it every day for, putting oil into my pan before I cook something, or drizzling it onto sheet pan for when I roast dinner. There's so many different great options to use this little guy. You can purchase this one through Colonesco's website. I'll put that link below, and I think it is just $5. It's super cheap, and if you use my code Karli10, you can get 10% off. For the next thing, I need you to come back here. Okay? The next item that I use multiple times a day is this paper towel holder. It looks kind of funny right now because there's no paper towels on it. I wanted to show you how easy it is to change this out. But it's just screwed onto my cabinet here. So it doesn't take up any counter space. It's up top and it's really easy to put your paper towels on, and you can do it one-handed because can you hear the click? So you're never going to pull your paper towel roll and have like all of your paper towels trailing after you because it clicks. So you can just do it one-handed and your paper towels stay. It's super easy, convenient. My kids can get paper towels by themselves without making a mess. It's a game changer, especially not having it on the counter here. I just purchased this on Amazon. I got it in the black color. I think they have like brushed nickel silver or something like that as well. I think it was like around 10 bucks. Again, you can find that in my Amazon store if you want to go check it out. Do me a favor and like this video if any of these kitchen gadgets are appealing to you in any way. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipe videos or upcoming kitchen gadget videos. And comment below and let me know which kitchen gadget you are most excited about. Next up is my instant read thermometer. This is called a Thermopen. It's by the company ThermoWorks. And so the thermometer just comes out like this, and it's digital right here. You can see it going down, I think, and it actually turns so you can see it. You don't have to turn your head, which is very nice and fancy. And these thermometers tell you how hot something is instantly. So when you're dealing with caramel or candies and things like that, you need to know exactly how hot it is because that temperature can change really fast. I use this every day from, temping my water before I make bread, or checking the temperature of biscuits that are in the oven or a cake in the oven to make sure that it's cooked all the way through, muffins, make sure things are cold enough. I use it every time I cook meat, chicken, beef, ground beef, hamburgers, all of the things. I use this because I am very, very paranoid about undercooked meat. And if you want to cook a good steak that doesn't turn out super dry and tough, you need a thermometer because you need to know exactly what that internal temp is so you can pull it off the grill or out of the oven after you've seared it or something like that, so you get that nice, juicy, tender steak. You can purchase this exact same thermometer. They come in lots of different colors. The purple one is really cute, I think. But on thermoworks.com, I will leave a link in the description below for you. They have these ones. They have thermopops that are just, the metal part, and then it's a little circle on top where you can see the temperature. Those are a bit easier on the wallet than these ones are that fold up. But head to their website, check out all of their thermometers. They usually do some really great Black Friday sales, so keep your eyes open for that. And last but not least, I want to share with you my favorite knife. And I have to tell you that this is honestly one of my favorites because I just bought good knives 3 months ago. I have been using some pretty dull knives that we bought from Ross, or the knife we cut our wedding cake with, up until 3 months ago when I did all of the research I've been researching for a long time and finally settled on the brand that I wanted and the knives that I wanted. And I went with Victorinox is the brand, and you can purchase these on Amazon just like I did. And I love the fact you don't have to buy everything at once. You can buy just the knives that you want. So I bought this one, a bread knife, and one other knife that I wanted. And I use this one every single day. They stay sharp for so long. I've had a paring knife that my husband gave me for Christmas a few years ago. It's been my one good knife, and it stays so sharp. And they are not going to cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I think this one was maybe $49 if I'm remembering correctly, which is a great, great price for a super solid knife that will last you years and years and years. I use this knife to cut everything from strawberries to potatoes to slicing chicken into strips for chicken fajitas. I use this knife for everything. It's super sharp, super versatile, and you think I say that weird. Do you say versatile or versatile? Tell me in the comments below. It's a little thing. Again, if you want to check out all of the Victorinox knives, you can check them out in my Amazon store below. I would watch these on Black Friday. I would guess that they're gonna go on sale. Perfect Christmas gift. If you are in the market for a new set of knives or even just a few new ones, make sure to check out these. These are my absolute favorite. I want to be clear here that none of these things are sponsored. I'm not getting paid by anybody to say any of these things. I truly just use these things every single day and they make my life so much easier. And I hope you check them out too. Use those links below. Check them out and I hope they make your life easier too.